Here I have a West 3000 kilo positioner, new machine, made in the UK. Variable speed, power tilt. Ideal with the slots for the forklift to pick up and move in the base. Earthing fitted to the underside of the table. Tilting range. Tilt from horizontal to vertical and beyond. More details can be seen on the website under West 3 ton or West 3000 kilo. In stock, ready for immediate dispatch. We also supply chucks if required. Centre rings on the bed and T-slots for fixing down. Do a range of these positioners from 1 ton, 2 ton, 3 ton and 5. More videos will be shown later on the various other size models we do. Come with 12 months warranty. Input voltage is 400 volts. Straightforward 3-phase, no neutral. Have a look at westermans.com for more details, or email me at welding@westermans.com for prices and availability.